I need to go look at my purchase history. I'll be right back. I'm back in front of the camera. It's because I got a new wig. I just washed my hair, which is why it looks like this, and I'm gonna put on a wig cap. This is supposed to be a glueless wig, but we'll see. It's from Curlyme Collections, not sponsored or anything. So the box is pretty sturdy, good to keep back. It has like the Google and everything. We got the wig in here. We got some lashes. We have this melting band. I have a ton of those now. What? I need to go look at my purchase history. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It doesn't say glueless, which I'm like shook about because I think that was one of the main reasons why I was wanting to order it, because I see somebody post about it being glueless and it's like, you gotta have this. And I was like, let me put on this wig cap really quick. I just took my hair out of this crochet style. Hopefully by the time you're seeing this video, it's up. If not, then your girl is slacking. Okay, let's throw this on and see what it's giving. Some combs, and this band is what I'm hoping gonna use to secure it, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what's happening, y'all. It's like getting stuck. There we go. That was a struggle for a minute. I know the lace is distracting. Let me tuck it under while we see what it's looking like. All right, got my shears. I even got a curling wand so we can kind of give it some curls to see what it's really working with. So I'm gonna clip these back and up. So it fits securely. The band is back here and I think I need to adjust. It is a pre-plucked lace, which I like, because then it looks just very natural here. And I'm trying to cut though the lace is possible. Now let's adjust our hair underneath. I'm gonna cut a little bit more of the lace on this side. Probably could get away in real life without spraying it down. Now that I got rid of the lace, I need to adjust to a good height on my forehead. Where? Oh, I'm gonna spray some of this got to be on it so we can see if it's, but I think if I bring it to the front, and I'm gonna do my makeup after I show y'all, so let's see. Okay, it's cute. Now I'm going to split in sections and curl so we can see how it curls. I'll have to cut that off later. I just want to give it some loose curls like this so we can see how it styles, you know, and give it a real first impression. The temperature I have this on is 360, which seems to be a good temperature. Ooh, I got that hotel lobby song stuck in my head by the middle, and I'm just going to get on there for 20 seconds. We're gonna do a middle or a side part. All right, I'll be right back. This is what we're working with. I love it. I think though I want a side part, so we're just gonna do a side maybe. Forgot, it's been so long since I've worn a side part that I don't even know which side it really gives, you know. And I'm just gonna use my hands to comb the curls out a little bit compared to a brush. Is it giving? It's giving. I like this color a lot. Let's see. Do I have an edge control brush in here? I don't. But so what y'all think? What would y'all rate this? Do y'all like this color? I think it's a really great wig. I'm super excited to continue to play with it, curl it, style it, slay the edges. If you go on the website, you'll see women wearing this and it looks really good on them, styled and laid. The length, I probably could have went a little longer on the length, but otherwise I like it. So let me know in the comments what you give this video or what you give this wig, and I'll see you in the next one.